I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check no kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. At gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a timeless reading kung kailan nyo po ito napanood. No? The message is meant to find you. The Nine of Pentacles. So, masaya naman tayo. Dapat masaya tayo, actually. What's blocking the energy of pagiging masaya is the Seven of Pentacles. So, Pentacles kasi is predominantly abundance, no? Abundance may be different, no, from each person. Abundance may mean literally money. Abundance may mean fame. Abundance may mean my collections of bags, my collections of shoes, my romance, no? Whatever the abundance is, it felt like ang tagal kong inaantay. So, you know that things is going to happen soon. Or things is going to happen. But when is that soon? Kasi ang tagal ko nang inaantay. Either ang tagal ko nang inaantay na mag-propose si person, ang tagal ko nang inaantay na bigyan niya ako ng commitment, ang tagal kong inaantay na maging kami. With the Fool card, parang nakikita natin dito na may pagka-immature, no, si person. Parang feeling mo parang naglalaro lang siya dito sa relationship. Feeling mo hindi sineseryoso. For a few numbers of you, baka meron ditong age gap. It may be a May-December love affair or baka konti lang din yung gap. Pero if we're not talking about the numbers, then ito nga ay immaturities, no? With the Ten of Swords. Bakit parang sinasabi mo dito? Totoo yung hinala ko dati na sana pala hindi ako bumigay, sana pala hindi ako agad umoo, sana pala hindi ko to pinansin. So parang ngayon medyo pain in the ass, no, itong person mo. With the Ten of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the Death card. So, I think that you are in a loop na parang away-bate, no? Reconciliation, separation, reconciliation, separation. Laging nandun kayo sa polarities. Wala man lang kayong common ground or yung parang idle ground na pwede ba tayong mag-stick, no, sa ganitong dynamic? Either magbabalikan kayo or magkaaway kayo. So, what's in your headspace? So, ano ang nangyayari sa utak natin ngayon, sa ating the energy in our crown chakra, the Magician. Manifestations is just manifestations if walang actions na nangyayari. Are we manifesting this to our person? That's actually one of my questions. Are we manifesting some changes from our person or are we manifesting this to ourselves? Kasi when it comes to manifestations without the proper spell work, you cannot do that with the other person. The only thing that you can do is, for yourself. Kaya kung nagmamanifest ka, ito dapat siya. I think that there is something wrong with the manifestation, no? Kasi wala naman yung spell word. Ang mangyayari dito dapat, ang system nito is yung sa akin. Ang manifestations ko is sa akin. Something in your mind that probably that we can either alter, needs to change, or probably learn something more with these manifestations. Actually, you have all the tools for you to achieve whatever it is that you want in the connection. Let's clarify the magician with the King of Swords and the King of Cups. So, parang sinasabi mo dito, ayoko na puro salita lang. That makes sense. Gusto ko may actions, no? Or ayoko ng purong action, dapat naririnig ko din. You want your person to be balanced, no? Either minsan kasi baka may mood swings, no? Din si person, parang all in right now. So, meron siyang mga bagay na ginagawa. Sometimes you are overwhelmed with this attention, affection, and all of a sudden, bigla naman siyang tatahimik, mawawala na parang bula. So, yun nga. So, meron pa rin talagang inconsistencies. Nandun pa rin talaga yung polarity if you're gonna look at it in a bird's eye view, no? So, nandun pa rin yung extremes. So, wala talagang common ground, no? With a Page of Wands, Page of Wands, what are you trying to do here? Are you trying to actually move? Leave your person behind? Nagdadalawang isip ka na ba because of what is happening? So, kung nag-iisip ka of actually looking for someone new, looking for another options, so ibig sabihin wala ka ng faith dito sa relationship. With the Knight of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles, it can also be na lahat ng attention, affection na binibigay ko, excuse me ha, pasensya na kanina pa tayo nagre-read. Yung attention, yung affection na binibigay ko, sa akin na lang. Kesa sa iba mapunta. Or kesa sayangin ko sa person ko. No, that makes sense. What's going to happen? Yun yung aking tanong eh. Kasi, as of the moment, hindi mo nakukuha yung satisfaction kay person. As of the moment, hindi ka masaya sa nangyayari. So, that's given. So, kung ibibigay mo yung atensyon, pagmamahal sa sarili mo, what's going to happen? That's actually my question. What's going to happen, no? Dito sa relationship ninyo? With the Five of Wands, the Hermit, and the Two of Swords. Since ganito lang din naman ang nagiging situation, walang, kumbaga, yung inconsistencies parang embedded din, no, sa relationship. Nakikitaan ko na yung away nandito pa din. Yung pagtatalo nandito pa din. Actually, you become a little wiser na, no? Parang bumukas na yung isip mo, bumukas na yung mata mo. I think the Two of Swords in here, separation is about to happen. So, kung dito lang din pala mapupunta, bakit mo papapatagalin? Bakit pa dadating yung time na kung separation lang din, no, ang kalalabasan nito, anong inaantay natin? Kasi kung ngayon natin gagawin, may pain, of course. Kung in the future pa natin gagawin, may pain pa rin. Pero sayang yung gap, no? Imbis na sana naka-heal ka na, baka dito ka pa mag-heal. Alam mo yon, napoprolong lang. And yung the opportunity of meeting someone that is probably meant for you or much better than your person, baka tayo lang din, no, ang nagbibigay ng rason bakit hindi pa natin namimit yung iba na para sa atin because we're waiting for someone else to change. Yeah, so this is your reading. Kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate dito, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some personal questions, let me know. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now, no, the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Gemini, Gemini, Virgo, Leo, Taurus, well, Libra, nandiyan din naman, no? Aries, Sagittarius, Capricorn is here, Scorpio is here, Aquarius is here, Pisces, and Cancer. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You wanna